Toshiba E31 Smart TV. Great picture quality for fantastic viewing. Rexa engine, high grade optimized picture quality beyond full HD capability no matter what content you watch, letting you get great picture quality with a fantastic viewing experience. Viewer picture on the screen. Toshiba Essential PQ technology improves picture quality in details, letting you get true to life pictures on the screen. Just enjoy a great viewing experience at once. Optimizing picture that brings real to life. Toshiba TV's pictures optimizes analyzes the images frame by frame and adjust pixels accurately with optimized shadows, brightness and colors. So you always have a stunning viewing experience at home. High contrast in every scene. Contrast booster enhances the depth of picture color just as in real life. Whatever you watch on TV, each and every expression of color becomes vivid and clear. Everything looks more real. Shadow details with noise reduction. A digital image sometimes has linking noise on a flat portion around edge, which is seen especially on animated movies. Digital noise reduction detects and reduces noise, letting you get clear images that stay smooth viewing anytime. Catch every detail in immersive action. Sports mode is tailor-made for sports content, in particular the fast moving action. The algorithms is set up to fully show details of the game on TV, and the unrivaled clarity takes you to every exciting moment. Just cheer up for the game the way it touches you. Hi friend, thanks for watching video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, comment in a comment section.